Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Hello and welcome back to the Urban Cook. Today I'm going to be doing some empanadas. I'm going to have chicken, bacon, chorizo. I'm going to mix in some of this egg fried rice. It's already pre-cooked. A little bit of turmeric. I'm going to season the chicken with tarragon and some dill, salt and pepper. I've got some garlic here that I'm going to put in with the chicken anyway. And then we're going to make some dough, which will be fun. So we'll crack on, and I'm just going to butterfly these, beat them down a bit, flatten them out, fry them off, and then take them out, cut them up, cook the bacon and all that sort of stuff. So here we go. Take off any gnarly bits. Salt. Pepper. Tarragon, dill, bit of plastic wrap over it, a little bit of olive oil, same on this side, salt and pepper. Bit of tarragon, bit of dill. Same these over. Give them about 5 minutes. Okay, so we're going to take these out. And let them rest. Bacon on the go. Chop up the chicken. garlic. Bit of chorizo. Still got the flavour of the bacon in there. In with the chorizo. In with the garlic. Back in with the bacon and the chicken. In with our fried rice. Turmeric. And put a lid on that. Give it about 5-10 minutes. Okay, so this is done. All lovely and cooked through now. So this is our filling. So what we're going to do is leave that to one side, put the lid on, and get on with the dough. So see you soon. Okay, so I've got a flour, about 3 cups, butter, about 4 ounces, 1 egg, and half a cup of milk. Give this a mix in, get it all lovely. So this is going to be really messy for me, so what I'll do, I'll get all this mixed up and we'll see you in a minute. Gotta get my hands in there. Okay, so got our dough. I don't know how this is going to come out, but we'll give it a go. Beaten up an egg to stick it down with. Get a filling. Okay, so we'll get these on a tray, paste these over with some butter, and I'll make the other 8, and we'll bring you back in soon. Well, these look great. Chicken, chorizo, garlic, bacon, that Tilda egg fried rice, the mixture. I'll take this one out. Very nice. It come out better than the last lot I made. So filling is really tasty. Mrs. Urban has already had a couple and she's given her approval, so that's a win for me. So I put the ingredients in the description and the recipe for the dough, for the empanada dough, pastry, whatever you want to call it. The only thing I didn't put in it was salt, because I used olive butter which was already salted, so I skipped the salt. But give it a go, very tasty, especially the filling, and I'll see you on the next one. So see you later guys, bye.